Quote, you can also send such intense impulses of electrical energy over these light beams that the body of the one attempting to harm you will be destroyed. Any resistance to this energy immediately magnifies its volume and therefore its velocity. The ones setting up resistance against it or attempting to set up their personal will only harm themselves. If they do not set up any resistance to this light, it will pour its healing balm through them, as well as it does through you. Quote, it is the pure God beam and power which blends with that of another at all times if there is no resistance to its free flow. It vibrates with the highest vibration. Consequently, all are vibrating in perfect harmony and accord, and no harm can possibly come to them, as they are in unison with the God vibration. There is absolutely nothing that can harm another, unless that one resists the God vibration. Vibration is life. Do you not see how you stand with God at all times? In this attitude, would there be a possibility of separation? The only separation is the resistance that causes the inharmony. Quote, nothing can come near you when you stand in the holy mount, one with God. This is not a special privilege for a few. This is for all. I am the great absolute cause of source in which every child stands, one with God. Thus, all live under the law, the highest vibratory thought action. There is not an inharmonious vibration that can enter this sphere, this throne, where all belong and are at home. This is your divine kingdom. You can also use this power to return false and harmful thoughts or desires that are directed towards you. You can, if you so desire, step up this white God light beam, endow it with God power, magnify and transform the energy the sender has given the thing or condition that was intended for you, and place it into your reflector and send it back to the sender with the velocity of light. When you return it in this way, it is a beam of pure white light instead of merely lowered vibrations as it was sent to you. Quote, when it reaches the sender, the impulses are so potent that it can destroy the body of the one who first put in motion the lower vibration. It matters not whether you know the sender or the location from which it came. The vibration will return to its source unerringly. The judgment day, or day of retribution, has arrived. As you give, so you receive good measure, God measure, pressed down and running over. Quote, you can transform God power and send it out with such force that it is irresistible. These are the beams or rays of light that you see emanating from my body. These rays are emanating from your body, although they are not yet as potent. But as you go on and use this power, allied with law and principle, you will add potency to the light and can consciously direct it to accomplish any good desire. When the artist portrayed me at Gethsemane, the rays of light went out from my body instead of coming out from heaven to me. The light is the God power generated from within my body and sent out by the reflector. These beams go out from everybody when that person stands forth as God in his divine heritage, the Christ of God, all one.